Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge in Allah from the shaitan, the stone. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The question has been asked, what should I do if I want to be the first Muslim in my society? Let us know from the Quran what Allah is saying. Surah number 6, Al-An'am, ayah number 161, 162, 163. Allah says, قُلْ إِنَّنِي هَدَانِي رَبِّي إِلَى صِرَاطٍ مُسْتَقِيمٍ دِينًا قِيَمًا مِلَّةَ إِبْرَاهِيمَ حَنِيفًا وَمَا كَانَ مِنَ الْمُشْرِكِينَ قُلْ إِنَّ صَلَاتِي وَنُسُكِي وَمَحْيَايَ وَمَمَاتِي لِلَّهِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ لَا شَرِيكَ لَهُ وَبِذَلِكَ أُمِرْتُ وَأَنَا أَوَّلُ الْمُسْلِمِينَ. Say, surely my Lord has guided me to a upright, straight path, a judgment established, the millah of Ibrahim, that is true, and he was not from those who associate. Say, surely my prayer and my solitude and my life and my death are for Allah, the Lord of the worlds, that there is no associates for him, and I am ordered with it, and I am the first of Muslim, the submitters. From these verses, we know very clearly my life and my death must be for Allah. My solitude, my sacrifice, my prayer must be for Allah. Then I will be able to come to the forefront of Muslims in my society. Thus, Allah the Almighty. This is the order of Allah. And all prophets and messengers came and they never associated anyone else with Allah. I hope you have got the right answer from the Quran.